Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya. So in this video I'll be showing you a easy nail art tutorial of these nails. So don't forget to subscribe and like if you love the video, and also do follow me on Instagram, namely Tanya_buff and shiny. Thank you. I'll be using this brush and like 5 to 6 neon shades which are on the palette. I'll be starting like drawing on the fake nail with the help of a neon red, okay, a pink kind of a shade which is very quirky. So like what you have to do is like draw a dot in the center and then bring it downwards like a curve. Do it on the right side as well, like I have done it over here. I'll be adding more colors into this, like blues and few of greens. Also, like you have to use a lot of shades because that will give it a more quirky look. Just you have to make sure like you have to drop a dot and then you have to, with the help of the brush, bring it downwards, down towards the nail. Also, I'll be adding few dots here and there to give it a whole, like a complete look. You can always add whatever shades you wish to add. They can be any shade, the neons or dull, but also make sure that you also add few of the dull shades to enhance the neons. Like in the previous nail I had started with a pink shade, and in the next nail I will be starting with the red or an orange itself. The design can itself of course fluctuate from the previous one. Step is repeated in here, wherein I had dropped a dot circle in the center with the help of a green shade and then pushed it toward with the help of a brush towards the base of the nail. Again I will be adding a neon green to of course complement the dull green. I'll be drawing few white leaves kind of a thing, which will of course give it a more flowery kind of the curves, the lines. It will look more attractive because of these. I'll be adding of course few dots as well because these things are making up the whole nail art. First the dot and then pushing it towards the base. The second the leaves, okay, and the third one are these dots. It also depends on you to use which shade first and then continue adding all the other shades. You can start with any of the shades, but make sure that you select 5 to 6 shades that may help you. I've added blue in here to complement the pink and green in here to complement the orange. Also you can use the same color on 2 places. Also don't forget to add few decent shades to give it a more beautiful look. Depends on you from where you wish to start the curve. It can be from either side of the nail, from the below, or whether both the curves are starting from the same end. Like in here I have left a lot of gap between the pink curve and the orange curve, and I have added greens and blues in between. Adding more of dotty cure kind of a nail art which will give it a more opaque, and because of the dots a more portion of the nail will be covered. Adding purple makes everything looks beautiful. Also added white dots in here and a white leaf on 2 places.